May clap sila. Ito. Ito color lang guys, okay?
14 day din sila.
Yo, careful.
Yung
Unleash
roll nila
Glow
boy,
Clamper.
mounted pa rin. Magdi-dismount
Mount up brawlers guys, atong brawlers mount up mo.
Yo, brawlers, mantap din ka.
Focus sailors mo. T10
Ano
PL sa likod.
Yung primal nila, mounted pa rin sa likod natin. Naghihintay lang.
Ang ilaw, liin to eh. Sino liin?
Spirit Hunter, baka may ano kayo, pang ano, kata pa...
Panghook.
Panghook.
One death
Oh,
at the back.
spirit, pwede kayo mag
One
ano.
death at the back.
Ay, pasting. Ulul, na one tap na kita. Gago.
Di. Yan, ganyan nyo lang yan.
May Griffin ba?
Ayun,
Yan o.
sabihin nyo pre, pag mag-uho kayo para alam. Game.
Chin, mag-front ka,
May
Chin.
nagok din sila.
Yun na. Uy,
gago,
gago na
wala,
ito ka
clinic agad.
eh.
Yeah, it's okay. That's a
Nagpa-funnel
fake,
tayo
that's
sa
a fake.
flank.
It's okay. That's a fake.
Huwag ka
Uy,
mo.
sila.
Pakol down tayo, Pax.
Nabing fake lang. Grabe naman kayo.
Uy.
Engaging guys. Engaging. Nice. No?
Fake.
Come back fast.
Fake ata yun.
Hindi, engage yun. Nag-carving.
Yan
Ayan
na.
na. Second defensive. Nice. Heals. Walk in, guys. Walk in. Yo, tanks hold them. Yo, Chin, pa-fake ako. Come west. May DPS, come west. You look west now in 3, 2, 1. West end now. Kill this guy. Nice. Spread and brawl. Spread and brawl, guys. Yo, come southeast a bit. Come southeast a bit, guys. Come southeast. Walk southeast. Yo, dilooking now. Potion ipinid, guys. Okay? Come southeast. Yo, potion now. Defense up. Defense up, guys. Defense up. Nice. Then walk in north now. Walk in north. May DPS. Walk in north. Look north na. 3, 2, 1. On the ground, shallow na. Kill this guy. Nice one, boys. Spread them, bro. Walk in to them. Walk in west. Walk in, guys. Yo, defense up. Bomb squad eating. Nice. Then spread now. They have engaged now. Black Jesus, they have engaged, okay? Careful. Yo, they engage now. Defense up. Heals, guys. Nice. Then walk in. Everyone walk in and brawl. Look in the crowd now. 3,
Walang
2,
maglulot.
1. One shot these guys into the ground. Guys. Please. Yo, spread ng brawl now. Spread. Yo, bombs may ano na yan. May engage na yung bombs ko. Palok ako. Spread ng
Nice
brawl.
one.
Engaging now. Stay engaging, guys. Spread. Defense up. He's on me. Nice. Spread, guys. Spread. Yo, come south a bit. Yo, they're looking now. Defense up. He's in the front. Come south a bit. Walk southeast now. Walk southeast, guys. Walk southeast. Then get ready to turn. Okay, get ready to turn northwest now. In 3, 2, 1. Northwest now. Kill this guy. May DPS pa ba?
Wala na.
Meron pa.
Spread.
Giding.
Spread ang garat, guys. Ang ina
Gusto tayo? Meron pa tayo, Pax.
Meron pa.
Wala na akong DPS sa party 1. Ilan ang DPS ko party to? Brawlers lang yan, okay? Umalis na kayo. Ang bobo naman ng party 1, guys. Putang ina.
Yung healers namatay kagad
Naman
boy.
tayo sa early.
Daurot ang healers.
Lamang tayo sa ano?
Kami pang voice on.
Tayo sa castle. Punta kayo castle.
Patay ko.
Bobo ang puta.
Wala mo na magpa-Facebook ha.
May bomb squad sila. Si Stacy yung bomb squad nila. Grabe din yung may iwasan yun after engage.